Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make bacon gravy. That's right, gravy made with bacon. Smother your meat and mashed potatoes in this, your life will never be the same. To start, grab yourself 6 slices of bacon. Go ahead and dice up that bacon and place them in a bowl. Now grab yourself a large onion and cut off the ends. And cut it in half and dice up each half. Now let's head over to the stove. Start by heating up 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a saucepan. Once that oil is hot enough, go ahead and add in those onions. These are going to saute over medium-high heat until they turn translucent. Then add in your diced bacon, then saute this alongside those onions for 5 minutes. We want our bacon to get browned, but not too crisp. After it is done sauteing, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of paprika to the mix. And saute this for 1 minute to really release those flavors. Now we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and continue to stir this until there are no more white specks. Once all those white specks are gone, go ahead and pour in 3½ cups of chicken broth into the saucepan. Give it a stir and bring this to a simmer. And continue to let this simmer for 5 more minutes. Once that is done simmering, we still need to blend it, and you have a few options. One option is to use an immersion blender where you just simply stick that right in the pot and blend it up. But we can't seem to find ours. Or 2, you can use a blender that can safely blend up hot soups or gravies. Today, I'm going to use my blender, so I'm going to pour my gravy mixture into that blender. Make sure that that lid is on safe and secure. Then, before I pour that gravy out of the jar, I like to season it to taste with some salt and some pepper. Then give that one more light pulse to get it all mixed. This goes perfect over mashed potatoes, over steaks, meat, or you could even drink it plain. Like and subscribe. Then you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out thestayathomechef.com where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.